Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix all exporting errors in CapCut. So, the first thing that you can actually do, I'll see from here, if you want to export and you have this error, it says get pro and save this number of money to unlock these features. So you can go back to edit and undo any pro feature that you have used if you are using the free subscription. And now you can actually export your video again. So if this is not your actual error, try these fixes to fix your issue. So you need to go to CapCut settings from the menu, open the settings, and now from here you need to go to performance. Make sure that the encode and decode are all disabled as see from here. Hit on save, and now this may actually fix your issue. If the export error didn't actually get fixed, you can actually just save your project and everything and close CapCut. So just fully close CapCut. After you do that, reopen CapCut again. So after CapCut opens again, you can open the settings from the top right corner. As here from here, click on the settings. And now delete the cache from here. Just click on the trash icon and it will delete your cache files. So this won't delete any of your projects. This will only clean up CapCut. So after it finishes, click on save and open your project again and try to export it again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.